It's Corey Doyle 321, and it's gonna be a really fun night. We got some brew, homemade beer, that's homemade brew, a shitty ass amp, a nice 12-inch kicker, and the best part of all is, you want to hear it? And we got another speaking back to I'm gonna show you. First, we're gonna listen to some quick beat. Quick beat. I don't even know what the hell I'm really doing half the time. So just gonna hold on because it's really not my MP3 player. Tom's is, it's really sucky. So it's Cat Daddy, something new I see. I don't even know Tom's music. Sorry if I'm switching, but look at all that beer, all the homemade brew. Freddie, fuck, hate it. Sticky, actually. Freaking, hold on. It's a fail. No, it isn't. So yeah, hold on. We got something much. I just dead in the car too on top of that. I found keys. So yeah. Oh yeah.
Ride in the base brew hall and there's never been a recall.
15-inch jackhammer.